All right, I'm gobbling up all my battery. I probably gotta stop doing all this recording, but man, this is history. I hear all the popping behind me. I swear to God, it's just everything's burning and exploding. I don't know when it's gonna stop or where it's gonna stop, how much is gonna burn. Here comes ambulance, probably people with smoke inhalation. Jesus Christ, it's a fucking horrible situation here. I'm almost up to the main road. Get up here, make a left, and hopefully I'll be able to just drive all the way through to the Ritz, but or Lahaina town looks doomed. All right, that's all for now.